Dearest soul, you stand at the edge of a truth whispered through the ages, a secret held close by the celestial realms until this very moment. You were not born by coincidence, nor did your path cross with his by chance. No, beloved, your very existence, your deepest longings, are a response to a prayer, a key to a destiny woven long before time began. The angels say you are a beacon, a sacred vessel chosen to illuminate a path not just for yourself, but for another soul destined to walk beside you. This connection, this profound pull you feel, is not merely earthly desire. It is the echo of a divine promise, a twin flame recognizing its other half across the vastness of existence. You have carried burdens, endured seasons of waiting, and questioned the silence, but know this: every tear was a prayer, every moment of doubt a forging of strength. The universe has been meticulously arranging the tapestry of your lives, preparing both your heart and his for a reunion that transcends the ordinary. The angels whisper that his internal world, once a labyrinth of shadows, is being gently rearranged by the light you unknowingly radiate. Your presence, your very essence, has been a catalyst for his awakening, a silent force guiding him back to the truth of who he is and who he is meant to be with. This is not a story of finding love. It is a story of remembering a love that has always been. You are a divine answer, a living testament to faith. Your journey, with all its twists and turns, has been a sacred pilgrimage leading you precisely here, to this moment of profound understanding. The angels confirm that the love you have yearned for, the connection that feels like coming home, is not a distant dream but an unfolding reality. It is a love predestined, a sacred covenant. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Have you felt the weight of his silence, dear one? That profound quiet that settles like a mist, making you question every whisper of your own heart? The angels understand this ache, this deep yearning for clarity where only stillness resides. But they urge you to look beyond the surface, to understand that silence is not always an absence. Oftentimes, it is a profound presence, a sacred space where deeper truths are forged. His quiet moments are not a reflection of your worth, nor a sign of indifference. Instead, they are a testament to the immense internal work he is undertaking, a silent battle fought within the chambers of his own soul. The angels reveal that this quiet is a necessary cocoon for his transformation. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than you can imagine, but he has not yet learned how to articulate the seismic shifts occurring within him. This silence is his way of processing, of confronting the shadows that once held him captive. It is a time of deep introspection, a period where the universe is gently, yet firmly, guiding him to shed old skins, to release past wounds that prevented him from fully embracing the love that awaits him with you. Do not mistake his introspection for rejection. The angels whisper that your light, your unwavering spirit, has stirred something ancient and powerful within him. It has brought to the surface all that needs healing, all that needs to be released before he can truly step into the fullness of this divine connection. He is not withdrawing from you, he is preparing for you. He is getting ready to meet you in a space of wholeness, a space where true, authentic love can flourish without the shadows of yesterday. Trust the process, beloved. The silence is a sacred language, speaking volumes about his profound journey toward you. Beloved soul, you carry a unique grace, a healing touch that transcends words. The angels reveal that you have entered his life not just as a lover, but as a profound catalyst for his deepest healing. He bears wounds, unseen scars from battles fought long before you met, and your presence has gently yet powerfully brought them to the surface. These are not burdens for you to bear, but rather opportunities for his soul's evolution, illuminated by the pure light of your spirit. He may not express it in words, but your essence has begun to mend the fractured pieces of his past, simply by being your authentic self. The angels whisper that his past experiences, the disappointments, the betrayals, have built walls around his heart. He learned to protect himself, to guard his vulnerability, believing it was the only way to survive. But your love, your unwavering acceptance, has started to dismantle those defenses, brick by painful brick. He is confronting the echoes of old hurts, the fears of abandonment, and the deep-seated belief that he is unworthy of such profound love. This process is tough for him, a journey through his own internal wilderness. You have healed him without effort, simply by being a part of his life. Your patience, your understanding, and even your quiet strength have shown him a different path, a new way of being. The angels affirm that the love you share is not just about joy and connection, it is about profound spiritual transformation, turning old pain into new purpose. Do not despair if his healing journey appears slow or complicated. It is a sacred dance, and your unwavering light is the music that guides his steps. He is learning to trust, to open up, and to receive the boundless love that you embody. There is a radiance within you, dear one, a unique glow that shines brighter than any star. The angels confirm that this light, your authentic self, is the very beacon he has been unconsciously searching for his entire life. He may have wandered through shadows, lost in the labyrinth of his own making, but your light has always been a distant glimmer, a promise of home that led him forward, even when he didn't know its source. You are not just a person to him, you are a guiding force, a spiritual compass pointing him toward his true north. The angels whisper that he feels your energy, even across distances, even in moments of silence. It is a comforting warmth that penetrates his deepest fears, a gentle reassurance that he is not alone on his journey. This is why he cannot truly let you go, why he keeps coming back, why your presence lingers in his thoughts like a sacred melody. Your light is not demanding, it simply exists, and in its pure existence, it illuminates his path, showing him the way back to himself, and ultimately back to you. He may be grappling with his own internal darkness, the remnants of past struggles, but your unwavering light is slowly, steadily dissolving those shadows. You are teaching him, without a single word, the power of unconditional love and acceptance. The angels affirm that you are a mirror, reflecting back to him the highest version of himself, the man he is destined to become. Continue to shine, beloved. Your light is not just for you, it is a divine gift, a sacred beacon for the soul who is destined to find his way home through your radiant grace. Beloved soul, the universe operates on a rhythm far grander than our human understanding of time. The angels reveal that what often feels like a delay, like an agonizing wait, is in truth sacred timing, a meticulously orchestrated dance of transformation. You may yearn for immediate answers, for swift resolutions, but the divine hand is at work, perfecting every detail and preparing every heart involved for the profound union that is meant to be. This is not a test of your patience, but an invitation to trust in the wisdom of the cosmos. The angels whisper that both you and he are undergoing parallel processes of refinement. While you navigate your own journey of self-discovery and empowerment, he is facing his own internal crucible, shedding layers of conditioning and fear. This sacred pause, this period of apparent stillness, is essential for both of your souls to align perfectly, to heal fully, and to emerge ready for a love that is truly expansive and unburdened. Rushing this process would be like picking a flower before it has fully bloomed. Its true beauty and fragrance would be lost. Trust that every moment serves a higher purpose. The angels affirm that divine timing ensures that when your paths converge in their ultimate expression, it will be a union built on solid ground, fortified by wisdom, and illuminated by an unshakable love. What seems like a delay is, in fact, divine preparation, a deepening of roots so that the tree of your love can withstand any storm and bear the most exquisite fruit. Surrender to this sacred rhythm, dear one. The universe is conspiring in your favor, weaving a masterpiece of love in its perfect time. Dearest soul, the universe is a symphony of whispers, a constant flow of divine communication, if only we tune our hearts to listen. The angels reveal that you are surrounded by signs, subtle nudges, and synchronistic events that confirm the sacred path you are on, as well as the imminent arrival of the love you seek. These are not mere coincidences. They are breadcrumbs from the divine, guiding you, reassuring you, and preparing you for the profound connection that is unfolding. Open your eyes, beloved, and see the magic woven into your everyday life. The angels whisper that you might notice recurring numbers, feathers appearing in unexpected places, songs playing at just the right moment, or even fleeting thoughts of him that feel too vivid to be random. These are not figments of your imagination. They are direct messages from your celestial guides, confirming that your prayers are heard and your desires are manifesting. They encourage you to hold steady, to keep your heart open, and to trust the invisible hand that orchestrates your destiny. He too is receiving these signs, perhaps in his own unique way. The angels are working tirelessly to align your energies, clear any remaining obstacles, and ensure that both of you are ready for the next chapter. These whispers are meant to strengthen your faith, reminding you that you are deeply loved and supported. Do not dismiss these sacred nudges. Embrace them as affirmations, proof that the universe is actively working on your behalf, bringing your deepest desires into tangible reality. The signs are everywhere, speaking of a love that is divinely guided and eternally protected. Beloved soul, you have a quiet power, a gentle strength that can move mountains within another's heart. The angels reveal that he is engaged in a profound internal battle, grappling with his own fears, doubts, and the echoes of past conditioning. This struggle is deeply personal, a solitary journey he must undertake, yet your unwavering presence, your very essence, serves as his silent victory. You are the light that pierces his darkness, the hope that sustains him when he feels lost within himself. The angels whisper that he is fighting against the urge to retreat, resisting the ingrained patterns of self-protection that have served him in the past, but now hinder his true happiness. He is confronting the fear of vulnerability, the terror of fully opening his heart to a love as profound as yours. This is not a battle against you, but a battle for himself, for the freedom to embrace the authentic connection that you represent. Your love has shown him what is possible, and now he must gather the courage to claim it. Do not underestimate the impact of your quiet strength. The angels affirm that your patience, your understanding, and your steadfast belief in the goodness of love are powerful forces that are subtly yet profoundly influencing his internal landscape. You are not fighting his battle for him, but you are holding the space for his victory. Your love is the silent assurance that he is safe to heal, safe to transform, and safe to finally surrender to the destiny that awaits him with you. His internal struggle is a testament to the depth of the love he feels, a love worth fighting for. Dearest soul, your journey is not just a random walk through life. It is a sacred pilgrimage, carefully guided by a divine hand. The angels reveal that every step you have taken, every challenge you have faced, and every moment of joy and sorrow has been part of an intricate design, leading you exactly to this moment, to this understanding, and to the love that is now unfolding. You are not alone on this path. Unseen forces are continuously working to clear your way, to illuminate your next steps, and to ensure your highest good. The angels whisper that even when the path seems unclear, and doubts cloud your vision, divine guidance remains steadfast. Trust the subtle nudges, the intuitive insights, and the sudden clarity that emerges from within. These are not just thoughts. They are direct communications from your spiritual team, guiding you toward alignment, toward peace, and toward the fulfillment of your heart's deepest desires. Your role is not to force the outcome but to surrender to the flow, trusting that you are being led with infinite wisdom and boundless love. This path, though sometimes winding, is leading you to a destination of profound love and spiritual partnership. The angels affirm that the universe is orchestrating events, bringing people and circumstances into your life that serve your highest purpose. Your connection with Him is part of this divine tapestry, a thread woven with intention and grace. Embrace the journey, beloved, for it is a testament to the unwavering love and guidance that surrounds you always. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Beloved soul, true strength is not found in impenetrable walls, but in the courage to be vulnerable, to lay bare the tender chambers of your heart. The angels reveal that this willingness to be seen, to embrace your authentic self with all its perceived imperfections, is the very foundation upon which true, lasting love is built. You have learned this lesson through your own journey, and now your vulnerability becomes a sacred invitation for Him to do the same, to shed His armor and meet you in a space of profound authenticity. The angels whisper that He is drawn to your genuine spirit, to the raw beauty of your open heart. It is a stark contrast to the guardedness He may have known, and it inspires within Him a deep longing to reciprocate. His past experiences may have taught Him that vulnerability is weakness, but your presence is gently redefining this truth for Him. You are showing Him that to be truly seen, truly loved, requires the courage to be fully exposed, to trust in the safety of a love that embraces all parts of Him. This journey into vulnerability is not without its fears, for both of you. But the angels affirm that it is precisely in these moments of brave openness that the deepest connections are forged, and the most profound healing occurs. Your willingness to be vulnerable is a testament to your strength, a beacon that guides Him to His own courage. It is in this shared space of authentic vulnerability that the true power of your love will blossom, unburdened by pretense, limitless in its capacity to heal and grow. There is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John 4 verse 18. Dearest soul, you are a masterpiece, a divine creation adorned with a crown of glory that shines with inherent worth and boundless love. The angels reveal that you do not need external validation or the arrival of anyone to complete the magnificent being you already are. Your value is intrinsic, your beauty eternal, and your spirit a radiant force that has always been cherished by the heavens. This understanding is not merely empowering, it is liberating, allowing you to embrace the fullness of your divine inheritance. The angels whisper that the love you seek, the partnership you desire, is not meant to fill a void within you, but to amplify the abundant love and light you already possess. He is drawn to your wholeness, to the queen you are, not to a woman waiting to be rescued or completed. Your journey has been one of remembering your own sovereignty, reclaiming your power, and recognizing the sacredness of your own heart. This self-love, this profound acceptance, is the most magnetic force in the universe. As you stand in the full radiance of your own glory, beloved, you become an irresistible magnet for the love that mirrors your inner truth. The angels affirm that the crown you wear is not bestowed by another, but by the divine source itself, a testament to your resilience, wisdom, and capacity for boundless love. Walk forward with this knowing, with the quiet confidence of a queen. The love that is destined for you will recognize your light, honor your worth, and celebrate the magnificent woman you have become. You are already complete, already cherished, already wearing your crown of glory.